Hey, now Anthony with A&A Professional Services. The topic of discussion for today is upselling. I want to know what you guys are upselling. For me, this month, as it relates to detailing, I'm going to upsell headlight restoration. That's what I want to start upselling. That's something that I have not even been talking about or saying much about. I come across a lot of vehicles and I see that the headlights need to be restored, and sometimes it slips my mind, or I just don't even worry about it. I just do the car, get my money, and go on. But the thing about upselling is that you can actually maximize your profits. You can make more money per appointment, especially my clients. Most of my clients, anything I tell them, they'll say, yeah, go ahead and get it done. And I don't take advantage of that. And I don't take advantage of that in a good way, not a negative way. But the thing is that I just want to get you guys engaged. I want to see what you guys are doing. That way you can learn from me and I can learn from you as well. As it relates to lawn care, I'm going to upsell mulch. I don't do a lot of mulch jobs. I've been doing a lot lately though. And most jobs look really, really good. I don't really like doing them. That's why I have never really been upselling them. But mulch looks very, very, very good. I like the way it looked better than pine straw. But I like land pine straw better because it's faster. It's easier to get, easy to lay down, easy to pull up if you have to do it. But I need to start upselling mulch as well. So you guys let me know what you're doing to upsell.
You are now watching another A&A production.
watch these two great videos right here. Like a